Welcome to 144 Uwaga Court in beautiful Connestee Falls. This home has a lot of great attributes, but most of all, it was built with a focus on quality, privacy, and ease of living. Let's take a look. You can immediately tell that this home was built with the best practices and materials in order to create an efficient and low-maintenance home that's a pleasure to live in. Among many other features, you'll find high-end finishes, 4x6 walls, hardiplank siding, and 40-year shingles. All of this coupled with impeccable maintenance means you'll have time to enjoy all that Connestee has to offer rather than spending time maintaining your home. This home is perfectly sited to create privacy, a buffer from other neighbors, and a great place for wildlife to gather. The builder combined 4 lots at the end of a cul-de-sac totaling over 2 acres. With no through traffic and very few neighbors, there's plenty of peace and quiet on Uwaga Court. This home also features smart design that allows for ease of living and aging in place. The one-level floor plan features 2 master bedrooms. A spacious kitchen, wheelchair accessible doorways, hallways, and showers, and a flat driveway and yard featuring low-maintenance landscaping. If you're looking for a smart and efficient floor plan, a very low-maintenance home, and lots of privacy, 144 Uwaga Court might be the choice for you. Make an appointment today and see what your life could look like in Connestee Falls.